Our next plenary presentation is titled, Who Wants to Be More Sustainable? Sustainability during construction means considering current and future environmental, social, and economic needs in addition to the usual capital project considerations. Research Team 304 has identified 54 construction phase sustainability actions, or CPSAs, that project teams can use to enhance the sustainability of their projects. Please welcome Research Team 304.
Headlines aren't always a good thing, are they? Sustainability can and should be practiced during construction, wherever you are and for whatever project, big or small. Let's examine a large brownfield petrochemical plant project, for example. Community and environmental impacts during construction can range from oversized project footprints to excessive noise and vibration. To respond to these challenges, yet in a proactive or preventative manner, we identified several actions, such as action number 21, construction noise, vibration abatement, and mitigation, and action number 28, temporary sustainable facilities. Let's look at a typical urban highway reconstruction project. Construction impacts to the community and environment range from worsening traffic congestion and access to adjacent businesses, to noise, to air quality problems, to unintended stormwater runoff. Responsive to these challenges, our team identified several relevant preventive sustainability actions, such as action number 7, site work hours to reduce traffic impacts, and action number 50, reduction in idling of construction equipment. Now let's consider a pipeline being constructed across the countryside. If the project team does not proactively engage the community, it will suffer the consequences from sustainability-related risks. These could result in security issues, problems getting materials to the site, and low worker focus and morale. Community reaction could even have the project shut down or canceled. Responding to these needs, our research team identified suitable proactive sustainability actions, such as action number 6, stakeholder engagement plan, and action number 19, minimization of project's footprint and disruption. Let's look at a project that requires a worker camp. Many of our remote or international project locations require us to build and operate a temporary worker camp. In the planning, design, and operation of such camps, we should consider the environmental and community impacts. Failure to do so could result in unproductive strife throughout the camp that could spread to the local community. To address this challenge, our research team identified several preventive sustainability actions, such as action number 29, sustainable construction worker camps, or action number 40, promote community harmony within diverse project workforce. Our catalog of actions for sustainability during construction can help keep your projects on track. We believe that this is the first comprehensive research that deals strictly with sustainability opportunities during the construction phase of projects. The scope of Research Team 304 is discretionary sustainability actions that can occur during the construction phase. For your information, construction sustainability involves the processes, decisions, and actions during the construction phase of capital projects that enhance current and future environmental, social, and economic needs while considering project safety, quality, costs, and schedule. These actions start with the contractor planning for job site presence and end with the final commissioning report. You just heard several examples of proactive or preventative actions that we've organized in the form of a catalog with 54 such actions grouped by construction functions. For example, we have 10 actions under the project management function, another 10 in field engineering, 5 in contracting, 3 in craft labor management, 6 in materials management, 12 in site facilities and operations, 6 in construction equipment management, and 2 in quality management, commissioning, and handover. Actions affecting only safety have been excluded from the scope of this study since CII has already conducted a significant amount of safety-related research. While actions are the cornerstone of our work product, we have created a number of related support tools for use by construction teams to help them implement sustainability actions on their project sites. These and the full RT 304 story will be conveyed to you in our implementation session through the context of a game show. So now, from the studios of the Indianapolis J.W. Marriott, it's Who Wants to Be More Sustainable? Today's contestants are Chadsworth Grinchley Howell III, Chief Financial Officer for We Pave 'Em Co., Ripple Busman, Chief Executive Officer for the NGO Rocky Mountain High, and Sally Durant, Construction Manager for Durant & Daughters Construction Company. And now, over to our host, Mr. Alex Sajak.
Hello, everybody, and welcome. I invite you to join us in our implementation session where we will show you the tools and the products of Research Team 304. And we will do it in the context of an entertaining game show. We will show you how to be more sustainable in your construction projects, and you, the audience, get to participate as well. So, now, let's get to meet our contestants a little bit better. Our first contestant is Chadsworth Grinchley Howell III. Chadsworth, come on up.
Hey.
So Chadsworth, tell us about your most recent construction sustainability action.
Oh, right now? Okay, well, Alex, hey, we all know it's all about the money. My last sustainability act was to sustain my bank account by finding loopholes in local environmental regulations.
Okay, Chadsworth, if I could just get you to stand over here. I think we get it. Okay, our next contestant is Ripple Busman. Ripple? Oh, Ripple.
Dude.
How are you?
Oh.
Give me your hand. There you go. So, Ripple, tell us about your most recent construction sustainable action.
It's all about being green, man. I saved a 3-toed fiery salamander by jumping in front of a bulldozer. I'll tell you
Well,
what.
that's amazing. That's amazing.
It was
okay,
going to
Ripple,
destroy their
why don't you
habitat,
just take
man.
a spot
It's going
beside,
to cut their little heads
beside
right
Chadsworth
off.
there. So, obviously, Ripple is very passionate about the environment. Our final contestant is Sally Durant. Sally, come on up. Hello, Sally. Welcome to the show.
Well, thank you, Alex.
What's your most recent sustainable construction action?
Well, Alex, we seek balance. So on a current job, we, with the client, work to use modular construction to reduce waste, to enhance safety, and to minimize the site footprint.
Excellent. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Okay. As you can see, we have a very interesting and diverse group of contestants, and I think we're going to have our work cut out for us. Let me talk to you a little bit more about what you're going to see in our implementation session. We're going to share with you our catalog of 54 constructability actions, sustainability actions. We're going to share with you the results of our industry survey to see the amount of involvement in sustainability actions today. We'll show you our screening tool to allow you to prioritize your sustainability actions specifically for your construction project. We'll show you metrics, and we'll give you performance measurement tools that you can use to track and measure the progress of the sustainability actions on your project. And finally, we'll tie it all together with a 7-step implementation process that you can follow. So, if you want to gain a lot of knowledge about sustainability, get some great tools, and have a good time doing it, come to our implementation session here after lunch at 1 o'clock and again at 2:15. And I should mention that all of our products, literature, and tools are available for download from the annual conference download site. So in closing, I guess I'd like to just have a word from our sponsors. Okay. No sound. Okay, Rick.
Hey guys, all the plans are on this tablet. How about you use it?
Now that makes sense. Now we're in the 21st century.
All thanks to Sustainability Action Number 9, Paperless Worksite.
So simple, even a caveman can do it. Not cool, man.
Try a little modern at your construction site.
Warning, extensive use of these resources may lead to significant economic, environmental, and social benefits for your construction project.